That means how can you transfer your Excel data from one sheet to multiple sheets. So let's start. So first of all, we want to tell you that we have the employee detail table. So this is the table and employee detail here. So I will transfer this data according the post voice. So I will sort this data developer, manager and system admin. So it will transfer data automatically. So first of all, click on the data. As you click on the data, you will see the option form table range. So I will click here, click for, just wait for, because this is taking little bit time to open this and Excel. Now press OK, and next tab will be open here. So please wait. Now the table is opened here. So what we need to do, so first of all, I will create a duplicate tables here. Just make it duplicate it again, and I will rename this table 1, which is the table 1. I will give the name according that we want to sort the data. So I will sort data for manager. So I will write manager, and this will be here. And again the second, I will type system admin. System admin. Next I will give the name developers. Now the table have been created. So now I will sort this manager. Click on the here employee post, and I will deselect and select the manager, because this is the manager tab. Press OK. Now system admin, again sort. Here I will take the data system admin, press OK. Now last developer, select developer and press OK. Then close this. So this is a very simple way to transfer data from one sheet to another sheet. So just wait it, and now this will create some multiple sheets again here. So this is the developer tab. So I will rename this tab developer, and the sheet system admin. So I will rename this sheet as a system admin. Now the next sheet is manager. Now I will do entry here. So first I am entering the employee ID. So click on data again, then click refresh all. So you will see the magic of this, and data is transferring to the multiple sheets. You will select that. Here you can say the Aaron Rawat, which is the last entry 25, and here you can see the Muskan system admin and also the manager E23 and process. So this is the simple way to transfer data one sheet to multiple sheets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe YouTube channel if you like this.